Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to be talking about Unit 5 Creature Features, Content and Academic Vocabulary. Our first word is coverings. Can you say it? Animal coverings are what goes on the body of an animal. Scales are one covering. You can see it on the fish. Feathers are another type of animal covering. They're often found in birds. Fur is another animal covering that is found on dogs, cats, zebras, and other animals. And shells are another covering that can be found on something like a hermit crab. A lot of sea life are in shells, and turtles also have shells. Feathers. Say the word. Feathers are a type of animal covering. Feathers are found in birds. It helps for them to fly. It also helps for them to repel or keep the water off of their bodies so they can stay warm. Geese, ducks, and chickens all have feathers. Scales. Say the word. Snakes, lizards, and armadillo all have scales. These scales help for their bodies to move nice and smoothly. Fur. Say the word. Raccoons, dogs, and goats all have fur. The word fur and the word hair can sometimes be used interchangeably for animals. But most of the time when we're talking about animals that are non-human, we use the word fur. Parts. Say the word. When we talk about body parts, we are talking about what makes up the animal. So this polar bear has white fur, black eyes, round ears, a black nose, and long, strong paws with sharp claws. Those are the parts of the body that make up this animal. Another part of the body is called a beak. Say the word. Beaks are found on birds. You can see some beaks are long, some beaks are thick, some beaks are thin. They come in all different shapes and sizes, and they come in different shapes and sizes depending on the type of food they eat and how they get their food. Another part is a mouth. Say the word. You can see anywhere from a human mouth to a crocodile mouth. Most of them have teeth, a tongue, and lips in order to become a mouth, in order to be classified as a mouth. You can see they all look different. Paws. Say the word. A paw is another part of an animal body. Not all animals have paws, but bears have paws, dogs have paws, tigers have paws, and so do cats. They also have paws. Humans have hands. Tail. Say the word. Great. Another body part is a tail. The tail is at the end of an animal and can be used for many different things. If it is an ocean animal, the tail is helped to use to swim. If it is a land animal, sometimes it is used to push away any of the flies or mosquitoes or bugs that might be around, might give them a chance to scratch themselves. Sometimes, if it's a long tail, it could be used to wrap around a tree or a branch to help keep them steady. And even more tails, like this one of the kangaroo, can be used to lean up against. So tails have lots of important jobs. Excellent. You did a great job with these vocabulary words. We're going to do a little bit more practice with this next. So let's go to our next part here.